Hey, how's it going? It's Arie here. In this video, I'm going to be giving you my full in-depth review for the Savings Highway Global, specifically the product. In other words, what exactly are you getting access to when you decide to become a member of this program, and what is it that you are selling when you decide to become a member of this exact program? So I'm going to be diving into all that in this video. Real quick, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, so this way you can be notified of all future videos on this channel. And of course, at any point, if you want, you could also check out my training series that goes over exactly how I promote this exact program right here. But let's go ahead and let's talk about the exact product. So this right here is the savings membership, and this allows you to save on pretty much any type of expenses that you already are paying for. So anything like gas, food, groceries, electricity, any type of monthly expenses you have, your phone bill, internet, TV, satellite radio. There's also travel in here you could save on. So whether you are booking hotels, flights, any of those types of things, these things are all things that you could pretty much save money on with this, right? So I'll go over the exact pricing options shortly in this video, but with this, you can get started as little as 20 bucks a month, and this will give you access to the gold membership, right? And so there's that. There's also platinum, and then there is also titanium as well. And what I want to do here is go over some of the benefits that you have specifically when you come in at gold and, well, above, right? So first and foremost, the first thing I want to go over is the travel engine, right? So this is something that you get when you decide to become a member here. And so let's say, for example, that you want to take a trip down to, well, I'm in Wisconsin, so I'll just I'll put Milwaukee here. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And so what's really cool about this, compared to, so I'll put, January 22nd up until the 29th, so about a week, right? And so what's really cool about this is if you're someone who is looking to start traveling more, if you want to start, visiting new locations and all that, you want to have, higher discounts, then this right here is perfect for that because you have literally the highest discounts that you have compared to just about any other travel engine out here. So just to give you an idea, if we take a look at the St. Kate Arts Hotel in Milwaukee, this is very close to me actually. Public price that you would pay for this is over 7,000 bucks, for that week, right? Whereas here you save over 4,000 bucks, and in this case you're only paying 24.77 altogether. So it's pretty cool when you take that in consideration. It also shows you the percentage off, and there's that and tons of other hotels you could look into. And so what's really cool is you could either type in either your zip code or a specific destination that you want to visit. So if I type this in here, yeah, I could search up specifically in my zip code, but I think you pretty much get the idea with that. Now, another thing that I want to go over is the employee discount portal, and this has discounts pretty much for your everyday type of expenses. So things like if you decide to, you want to go see a movie, or you want to, go out to lunch or dinner, with your family, right? If you want to, get security for your PC, right? This is another thing that they have. And there's a ton of other things in here, but two things that I want to go over real quick are auto insurance and home insurance. And these two right here are, the big blocks that I would ideally recommend going for right away. So what's really cool about this is the average person that goes through this specific car insurance portal right here saves up to 590 bucks on their car insurance. And just to give you an idea, I want to show you a member who's actually done that. Here is Kyle right here. Hello to all my amazing family and friends. Just saved 528 on his home and auto insurance. So pretty phenomenal right there. And again, this just goes to show that this is working for people who are, using this, right? So there's that. Another thing that you have access to is you also get to save on home insurance as well. And that is also what this member saved on as well. So pretty cool right there. Now there's that and a few other things I want to go over here in the discount marketplace. If I look at local deals, this is something that's really cool. So what you could do is you could actually type in your zip code. So in my case, I'll type that in. And if I simply search this up, this will bring up deals that are, pretty much right, in my area. So for example, Vallejo's Pizza saved 60% off right there. Fireside Restaurant saved 60% off, right? Rocket Mortgage saved $2,000. Hotels and Resorts, $20 there, or 20% off there. Sam's Club, 50% off a membership. So again, these are all deals you could look into. And if you are simply paying for any of these, then why not save on that as well? So there's that and credit repair, and there's a ton of other things I could of course go into, but I think with this you pretty much get the idea. And if you want to learn more about what this what other benefits you have, there's tons of things you could look into right here. And depending on the membership level that you come in at, of course, higher membership level you get more benefits with that. But I want to show you some more proof from other members who are using this, right? And so here is a post from Jason Perez, who saved nearly $9,000 on his debt right here using the credit repair option. So pretty phenomenal, right? I mean, think about it. This is extra money you could put back in your pocket. You could use towards bills. You could take this money and reinvest in your business if you want to. It's $9,000, back in your pocket. Here is a post for myself. So I recently got a new laptop. This was an HP Dragonfly Folio was the name of it. And with this, I saved $400 on my purchase right there. Here is Anthony, who also saved in a new laptop. Looks like he saved about $150. And then of course here's Kyle again, right? And there's tons of other members that I could show here, but this right here should go to show that this is pretty phenomenal when you look into it, right? And so this is both proof in terms of saving and also earning money as well. So if you're interested in also making money with this, then of course I do have some bonuses to offer. I have also a TFT. This is the training portal right here. And so one of the bonuses that you get when you get started specifically through myself on our team that I'm part of is you get to learn from two of the top earners in this program. And what's really cool about this, and I'm actually going to go straight to the leaderboard real quick. Just to give you an idea, if I go to the top 10 earners in here, currently right now I'm number 5 in the list. So number 5 earner. And then if you look at right here where it says the funnel team, all of these members that say the funnel team are pretty much plugged into this exact training and our done for you marketing system that does all the selling and telling for you on your back, on your behalf. And this right here should go to show that our team is pretty much dominating the entire leaderboard. So I believe it's about 7 or 8 of the 10 people on here at least are on the funnel team and are using the exact training that we have access to right here. Now, that being said, I've gone over all the benefits. I want to talk about the actual pricing options. So one of the coolest parts about this exact business compared to a lot of other things that you might have seen out there is, aside from what you see right here on the screen, by the way, these are all monthly membership. So these are all, per month. All right. One of the benefits of this is that aside from what you see on the screen, there's no upsells that you need to worry about. So once you have an active membership and you are in your back office, then you are all good to go and you could start making money with this exact system. And the earning potential, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that the earning potential is pretty phenomenal, right? So again, this is just one member and there's tons of other members earning with this as well, right? But so gold, $20 a month, platinum is $100 per month, and titanium is $200 a month. The main difference between gold, platinum, and titanium is the higher level you come in at, the more savings benefits you have. So if you want to have extra benefits like, you want access like free tax hotline, annual tax preparation, if you want financial help, or you want to save on Zoom, or save on prescriptions, vision, dental. These are all things that you get at the titanium level, in terms of saving money. But as far as earning money, you get additional bonuses when you refer certain amount of members, which is pretty cool. So the main, way that you want to look at this, when deciding, between the levels is, do you want to make more or less for the same amount of work that you're putting in, right? So if you're here to not just save money, but also make money with this, and you want to go all in and you want to, of course, maximize your earning potential right from the start, my best recommendation is come in at the titanium level, because what I've noticed is that the people who come in at the highest level right from the start, they tend to take it much more seriously. They take more action, and then those who are at the titanium level who are all in, they tend to get results much faster than those who go for the gold membership. And this is just something that I've noticed personally. Of course, it's up to you. You could start at gold and then you, of course, work your way up to titanium. But ultimately, your goal should be to get to the titanium level. So anyways, that being said, all you have to do is simply go down below. If you want, you could check out the exact funnel that you're going to be able to replicate. Otherwise, you can go down to the link that will take you right here. And then when you're ready, just fill out the form right here. And once you get in, then I will, of course, give you access to all of your bonuses, such as my free training series right here, the free marketing system, and of course, the TFT training portal from Daniel and Kirsty. So that being said, go down below, get started today. My friend, I'll see you in the inside. Take care and all the best.